Noise, a leading Indian wearable brand, has launched a unique new product, the Noise PurePods. They are not a typical AirPods. This is India's first OWS open wireless stereo, and they clearly transform between two modes, acting as a neckband as well as a true wire. Defining feature, the detachable band. Snap it on the comfortable, secure fit of the neckband or leave it on the freedom of wireless buds. Each buds has 16mm dynamic driver powered by Noise AirWave technology, which uses precision air conduction mechanism to deliver unparalleled and superior sound. It is IP6X5 rated. You will get touch control support for controlling basic control options. As far as the pricing is concerned, it is priced at 2,999 Indian rupees. You can pre-book them on the company's website for 499, and this will give you a discount of 800 rupees over PurePods and 1,000 rupees over the Pro 5 smartwatch. The earbuds will be available in Power Black and Zen Beige colors. They will be on sale starting on December 19th on Flipkart and Go Noise app. For calls, PurePod comes with a quad mic arrangement with ENC, support to cut background noise, ensuring clear conversation. Connectivity takes place via Bluetooth 5.3. The company claims earbuds will last up to 80 hours on a single charge. They also feature noise InstaCharge technology, allowing for 180 minutes of playback with just 10 minutes of charge.